There's that. I think just right through the dead center?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we got it.
That's what I mean, could hit it. Oh, I jumped back, I'm sorry.
Damn.
You just went through the first cell. You haven't gone through the down cell.
So this is what happens if your Phantom battery blows up.
Yes. If that happened, it would hang on your bench.
Ooh.
There's been cases where a guy lost his garage.
Oh, I bet.
I should have stood back farther than that. We were both too close. Here, you hang. You watch. I'll see if I can drive the nail through farther. I shouldn't try it, but.
Yeah, I think we about killed it.
That's because there was quite a bit of power in it too yet, but it was swelling. So.
Yeah.
You got more nails?
Yeah, I brought 3 out total.
Only took 1.
Yes, it did.
It took a lot quicker than I thought, though.
Yeah, it did. I didn't think all that was going to happen.
Well, when it settles down, that should be...
Yeah, there shouldn't be any juice left in it.
Let her burn out.
Yep.
That's where some guys, if they aren't careful, they throw them in the garbage and they go in the compactor and something.
Oh, yeah.
You know, pokes it or penetrates it. Imagine that happening in a garbage truck.
Oh, God. Now, you would think... See, I thought it would have been like a bunch of like AA style batteries.
No.
But that's actually kind of set up more like a car battery.
They're flat cells.
Yeah.
It's
yeah,
layer,
you can see.
It's layer upon layer of wrapping. And I watched that on video too, how they were made. There's quite a bit to making them.
Oh, son of a bitch.
Boy, look what it did to it. He got hot.
Yeah, she did.
Well, if you ever do it again, get a longer pair of pliers and a bigger nail.
Yep.
A nail gun would have worked.
Yeah, that would have worked really good. Or a bullet.